What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kylie Cheese and I'm back with another video. So as y'all can see, my stash is a mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reorganize it because I just been putting it off, and it really needs to be organized. Like, this is not how I live. This is not how I live. So I'm just gonna reorganize my products, and yeah, so I'm not gonna be doing too much talking in this video because I'm gonna be organizing my products. Don't mind my hair today. My hair is in twists because where I'm going, really nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. So, and we family, so it's like, what do I really need? Who am I getting cute for? Exactly, nobody. Anyway, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm going to fast forward it for y'all, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And we just finna get right into it. So boom, let's go. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, as I got to the bottom is kind of like my miscellaneous stuff. Like if I just had one product, or you know, if I don't have a whole line of stuff for that particular product, then I just put it on the bottom shelf. But everything is pretty much organized by brand. As you can see, you can pretty much tell everything is organized by brand. And yeah, I didn't put it in no particular order. I just, however I thought it looked good, I just organized it. I highly suggest that you do this with your products, because it's just so much easier to find stuff. Like, you know, when I record these videos, sometimes I'll just like not care and just throw some on the shelf after I'm done using it. But you know, that's really not good. So it's really good to stay organized. And you know, I don't know, it just helps my peace of mind. Like, and you can also see what you have and what you're using. You can see like how much you have left and all of that stuff. So when it's like this, well, at least for me, so yeah, this is why I'm showing y'all this, because this is why I am not buying any more products, because I have a lot of stuff and I'm not trying to add to it. I'm trying to take away. I'm trying to you know, get rid. And I kept stepping on the ring light cord, because the way I had to set the ring light up, I had to bring, it's just a whole lot of cords and stuff. So just excuse that I kept stepping on it. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm not trying to buy too much stuff right now, because I have a lot of stuff, as you could see. And, you know, I'm trying to just use up my stuff and, you know, subtract, because as you can see, I don't have a lot of wiggle room to work with. And if I add something else, I'm going to just not organize. I'm not gonna keep it organized, you know what I'm saying? Like if I add more hair products and stuff, I'm not gonna keep it organized. So I really want to keep it organized. So I feel like this is a good amount of stuff for one head of hair, because I'm the only one natural in the house. My brother has dreads, my mama's relaxed. I'm the only one that's natural, so nobody using this stuff but me. So it's, you know, going slowly but surely. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. The same as my YouTube channel. I'm trying to figure out, do I have anything else to say? So as you can see, I'm going up there showing y'all everything. Edge control gels, curling creams, brands. I got some of everything. Not some of everything, but you know, yeah. Bye.